Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ansible Sikho. So in this session we are going to see the networking commands. Okay, how the ping command, ifconfig, netstat and telnet command works, and we will see how to check the firewall services as well. Few services we are going to check it. Okay, so let's start. I'll just ping it my base machine. Okay, 192.168.1.15. So if you can see, it will be pinging continuously. Okay, we have to stop it somewhere, so we press Ctrl C, then only it will stop. Okay, so to have a sort of break, we are using -w3. So after 3 reply it will automatically stop. Okay, if I update it to 5, so after 5 reply it will stop. So this is how we can test the ping command. Okay, regarding the net connectivity, netcat -zv. Okay, so we can see 1.15 port number 20, port number 80, let's say. Okay, hit enter. Okay, it is straight away said that it is connected to this IP over this particular port. Okay, the same command I run for port number 22, it will fail since the IP is not allowed to connect my base OS or base system on this port number. Okay, so that is the reason it is getting connection refused here. The same command I can use for telnet 192.168.1.68.1.15 port number 22. It will say connect to address connection refused. Okay, the same reply I got here, I got with this command as well, but the command is different. This is netcat command and this is nothing but telnet command. In your case, if the telnet is not installed, you will have to install using DNF. Okay, so I will use telnet command, but I will this time check port 80. It is immediately connected. Okay, it is connected now. Okay, so it is same as this command. Okay, connected, right? So just come out of it, press Q, Ctrl L. Okay, so this is done. We will see IP ifconfig interface configuration. So it is going to give you all the configuration settings. So ENS 160 is your Ethernet and it is associated with this particular IP 130.140. ENS 224 is another Ethernet connected to it. Virtual Ethernet, I would rather say. It is virtual Ethernet and this is connected to this particular IP. Okay, and inet 6 address is also available. Ethernet MAC address. Okay, all this information is there. ENS 256 is there, means how many Ethernet you have added virtually, those will appear here. Okay, so this Ethernet is not having any IP, but it has its MAC address. Okay, so another command is ipaddr. Okay, it is purely related to give me IP address, but along with that it is going to give you the Ethernet as well, which to which Ethernet it is associated with. Okay, so this IP is with associated with this Ethernet. This IP 140 is associated with this Ethernet. Okay, so and this Ethernet is up, but it is not associated with any IP. Okay, link is up, link is up. Okay, are you getting it? This is how you are going to get all this information using ipaddr. What if I want to see just IP address? So I will use filter here, ipaddr. I will say grep. Okay, I will say give me only IP addresses. So here, if you can see, inet is a keyword. Inet 6 is a keyword. Inet is a keyword, right? Inet 6 is a keyword. So I will type here inet. It will fetch all the inet here. Okay, it is going to fetch all the inet and will give me the result. If I want to see only the ethernet, so ens, so all ens related information will be available here. 224 is there, 224, 160 ens. Okay, ens here. Okay, so 160 is there, 224 is there, right? Fine, so this is how you are going to get it. And another way is hostname hyphen I, only the IP address. Okay, so this, since I have two nick associated and all two nick has a proper IP address, so it is presented here, right? Hostname only will give you node to the hostname details. Okay, hostname ctl will give you all the information about this host. What are they? Host name, the icon name, chassis is VM because we are using VMware virtualization. Okay, so my virtualization platform is VMware. If it was Oracle, then it would have been Oracle here. So all this information related to your host. Okay, if you type if you want to see the release and version of operating system, so you type cat etc os hyphen release. Sorry. Okay, so here you are getting CentOS stream version, CentOS, its family Fedora. Okay, then platform ID, home URL, and all other information related to your operating system. Okay, so all this information related to your OS. So these are the basic commands. Now we will see the status of services. So system ctl status, let's say sshd, it is active. Okay, you can see it is active and running. We'll see the status of firewall d, firewall services, it is running, right? We can stop the firewall also. Let's see that. Let's stop the firewall service. Authentication, okay, it will not get authenticated. I will use sudo. Okay, so the status is stop right now, right? You can see the status is dead. Here it is stopped. Okay, now we will have to start it using sudo. So status is now started, right? All these things you should know how it works. You can also see the status of http, but the service is not installed. It will say service not found, https service not found. Okay, so like this, right? Did you understand that? So we have completed almost everything. So that's all in this video, guys. Thank you so much. We will see in another video. Thank you.